Hi there, Stephen here from Brew Supply. Today we're going to go through the process of cleaning the Unibräu systems. The system that I'm going to do the demonstration on today is on the Unibräu Mini. Now the Mini and all of our other 5-gallon and 10-gallon systems, the process will be the same. So let's get started. Now the first thing I do is I'm attaching an adapter, and I have always an extra length of silicone hose available so that I can backflush my plate chiller. The plate chiller is connected to the wort out, so you're running it backwards. Fill up the kettle with warm soapy water. And my favorite tools to use are these Scotch-Brite sponges, which have an abrasive side, but it's not going to scratch your stainless steel, and these little brushes from IKEA. Don't forget to get that bazooka screen as well. Clean the hoses and fittings. Now, drain the solution out of the pot and add hot water. Now we've cleaned the kettle of debris using soap and water, but we haven't sanitized it yet, nor have we sanitized the plate chiller and the pump. They've been backflushed so they're free of debris, but we do need to sanitize for our next brew, and now is the time to do it. You definitely don't want to wait on it. So I'm going to reconnect everything, and I've already got the mash basket inserted, and I've filled the kettle to 2/3 full with hot water. Now I'm connecting to the wort out of the plate chiller, so I'm running it backwards. And you may have noticed that I have an extra piece of silicone here with quick disconnects added. I like to have this piece here because it's easier to run my plate chiller in line. I can run it in line with the pump, and it's easier to clean as a result. Now everything's been reconnected, and I'm going to add a few tablespoons of PBW. I love PBW because it's great for stainless. And I'm going to turn the pump on. First I'm going to open the ball valve, and I'm going to turn the pump on. Now everything is flowing through the system. You can see the flow here that I've got. And I'd like to heat the water up a little bit more so I can get that cleaning action. And I want to be able to walk away from this process and have it alert me when I'm done cleanup. So I'm going to plug the element cord into the controller, and I'm plugging the controller into the wall. The controller's been programmed to 45 minutes and the temperature is at 116. I set my temperature to 170 degrees because PBW does its best work between 160 and 180 degrees. What's going to happen is it's going to bring the temperature up to 170 degrees, and then the timer is going to count down, and in 45 minutes it's going to alert me to let me know that my sanitization process is finished. Sanitization is finished, and we shut off the timer, unplug the elements and the pump, close the valve. Now all that's left is we need to drain the system and rinse it with cold water. You can do this by adding cold water and pumping it through the system a few times. It's also easily achieved by just running cold water from the tap through the entire system and backflushing the plate chiller and the pump by connecting it to the faucet of the sink. And here's a really easy way to rinse the system out and the tubes all at the same time. So now that we have a clean system, the only thing left is for us to dry it and store it. As you can see, everything fits inside and you're ready for your next brew day. My name's Stephen. This is Brew Supply. Thanks for watching.